Hi everyone, I'm Lana. I'm currently a junior at Bangor High School, and I originally come from VZ Community School, a small little school in VZ with small classes and everything. And then going into Bangor High School was a pretty big change for me. I love it though. I love the big environment and all of the opportunities that I have and the people I can meet. It's great. I first thing I did was I participated in clubs. One of the biggest ones I'm participating in is the drone team. This is my favorite team of all because it does drones, and I love aviation and everything to do with engineering and unmanned aerial vehicles. So these we do a wide variety of things with them. This is a water sampling drone. It is waterproof, and we have a bottle hanging at the bottom that you can take water samples with. We love it. This one is a competition drone. We participate in competition. And then this one is just a fun drone that everybody gets to fly. So we have so many different things with the drone team, and so many other different clubs have a lot of things you can do. Bangor High School has something for everybody, and that is why I love it.